Installation of a principal CcM device. CcM4 installation example. The principal devices carry a large amount of electrical data. They are self-powered and can request information from secondary devices and supply them with power. In the box, you will find the device serial number, a user guide, a 4-wire connection cable, and the CcM device. The tools you will need for the installation include a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Secure the work area. Turn off the residual current circuit breaker or the main protection, as well as the rest of the thermal magnetic switches in the switchboard where the installation will take place. Check the input current direction. There should only be voltage at the switchboard input. There should be no current in the rest of the switchboard. Make sure that there is no current in the thermal magnetic switch where you will be operating. Unscrew the current output cables from the thermal magnetic switch and screw them to the back part of the CcM device. Very important. The principal CcM4 device is the only CcM device which requires the neutral wire to be screwed in the opening marked with an N. The corresponding comb must be inserted in the neutral output of the thermal magnetic switch. Once you have inserted and fastened all the cables in the CcM device, plug it in the holes of the thermal magnetic switch where the cables had been and tightly screw the CcM device to the thermal magnetic switch. Make sure that everything is securely fastened. For more information about how to create a secondary bus or a principal bus, or how to connect a principal device to a secondary device, please refer to the user guide or to other videos.